Hey there guys, Fat Guy's back again, doing a review this time on food, obviously. This is a 5-minute, 5-minute meals, chef 5-minute meals, self-heating meal. It's basically an MRE without, all the accoutrements. This was $7.35. Usually it's $7.99 on Amazon. So, we'll give this thing a shot and see how she tastes. Giggity. Alright. Rip. So I'm assuming that you little say hello to my little friend. I'm assuming that was the oven that we were being told about there. Alright, let's see what we got in this little package. Alright, sorry, keep bumping the camera. Alright, so we include the meal, spork with pepper and salt, and here is the self-heating oven. Ooh. Alright, and all of these seem to be different. Alright, full pouch meal, insert meal. Insert meal facing tub. Shake activator pouch, then open. Pour contents into heating pad oven. The hell? Okay, so you don't just add water to this one. Alright, let me see if I can figure this crap out. Okay, I think I figured it out. Do that, with that, put that in here. And down we go. Alright. Activator, which apparently I'm not supposed to drink because, yeah, that was what I was thinking. Alright. We want to bet this is a regular FRH. This is probably regular water, but they don't want you drinking it. Alright. Well, it's working. That'll work. And while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to make me some hot chocolate. Some good old Swiss Miss. Get you the right cup. Alright. It's all about breast cancer awareness. Or Breast Awareness Month. Because you gotta save them to look at them. Everybody always gives double-walled bottles for survival a bad rap because you can't boil anything in them. Well, I mean, that's cool. I understand that. If you're just trying to get by on the skin of your teeth. However, if you're camping, they're awesome. Because where else can I keep water hot for like hours? This thing ought to come in handy for something, right? Oh, yeah. Look at that bad boy go. It's all roughed up and whatnot. Alright. Got our hot chocolate. Got our meal. And usually I'd put this in a canteen cup of some sort. But, not sure if I want to because I found something else that'll give you a little better idea of what this thing looks like. Y'all know those tins that hold sewing kits? Sometimes they hold cookies. They make smaller ones. I did not know that. So, yeah, bought this bad boy for $1. Got me a bowl. And that thing worked really well, it looks like. Anyway, that looks beautiful. Now, let's see what this stuff has got going on here. Oh, that's pretty amazing. Carry a few packets of that Parmesan cheese with you, you'd be golden. It's a little less fortified than a regular MRE, but the quality is probably around the same area. But I guess they're all going to be just like canned food, except in a pouch. But yeah, I would definitely go for this. Well, I am going for it. No, those aren't stuffed or anything. They're just shells. Yeah, it's not a bad dish. Chef 5-minute meals. Yeah, if you're out looking for an MRE, well, not an actual MRE, but, you know, some BS that they call an MRE, this isn't bad BS. Something to throw in the pack. At $7, it runs you around the same price as, say, a Mountain House meal individually. But anyway, I guess that's pretty much what all I got to show you. Hope you all have a good new year. It's the 2nd now that I'm putting this out, so you know, y'all be safe. try to love each other this new year. Let's try and see if we can turn this around and quit being so negative. Talk to y'all later.